Hey everybody, how's it going? So Christmas usually comes on the 25th, but sometimes it comes early. You always gotta check. Anyways, Leetcode 2353, design a food rating system. Why can't I select this? Design a food rating system that can do the following. Modify the rating of a food item listed in the system. Return the highest rated food item for a type of cuisine in the system. Implement food ratings class. Food rating, foods, cuisines, ratings, initialize the systems. The foods are described by foods, cuisines, and ratings, all which have length n. Foods I is the name of the ith food. Cuisines is the type of cuisine of the ith food. And ratings I is the initial rating of the ith food. This is going to be one of those tedious ones, isn't it? Void, change rating, string food, item new rating. Changes the rating of food item with name food, string, highest rated, string cuisine. Returns the name of the food item that has the highest rating for the given type of cuisine. If there is a tie, return the item with the lexicographically smaller name. Note that a string X is lexicographically smaller than string. We know what lexicographically smaller is. Okay, so all right, okay. It's basically I've done a problem similar to this. It's just there were different categorizations, but we can just use a dictionary for that. So let's have a simplified class called single rating, and it's going to be exactly the same as this. Well, but it's only going to take a single classification. So let's see, self.h equals, it's going to be heap, so we're going to have that. It's going to be nothing, and then we're going to have dot final price is going to be a dictionary. So food new rating cuisine. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we have to remember the mappings, apparently. Interesting. Okay, that's fine. So the highest rated is going to be while self.h and self.h of 1 doesn't equal self.final of self.h. This is if it's changed, then the heap will be invalid. Self.h of 0. And then we're going to heap pop h. And then, once we're done popping, if self.h is none, I don't like that. If length of self.h equals 0, then return none. Otherwise, return self.h 0, comma, it wants the food, right? So the food is going to be the first entry, and that's that. So here we're going to need, let's see, self.mappings equals dictionary. Do we want to do it like that? Let's do it like this. Foods of I maps to cuisines of I, or I in ranged length foods. Was easier to type than cuisines. Okay, now self dot single rating equals default dict of, wait, yeah, so just ratings, I that. All right, that'll allow us to access it by the mapping. Now, so we're going to have change rating. And yeah, we need to implement this here. So self.final of food equals new rating. And then we're going to have self.h. No. We're going to have heap. What is it? Heap add? What is it? Oh, dear Lord. Oh, I should know this. I guess I haven't done one of these in a while. Heap push. That's it. I knew heap add did not sound right. Okay, heap push h. And, we'd better do negative. Better make this negative. So, because we want it to return the largest value, and heaps return the smallest value, at least by default they do. So we need to make it negative so that it's the default. And this has to be a tuple so that it's immutable, and we will have negative new rating, comma, food name. And that should return the food with the highest rating, unless it changes, in which case we're going to get rid of it right here. So let's see here. Ratings is that. Now change rating, we're going to have self.ratings of self.mappings of food dot change rating. Wait, what? I put it in the wrong place. Change rating of food to new rating. Like that. All right, and I guess that's that. And then highest rated is going to be self dot highest rated. Just like that. Okay. What do you think the odds are it's going to work out of the box? Probably pretty low. Name food is not defined. Did you mean fmod? You know what? I did not mean fmod. That's what I meant to do. That was a whoopsie. My bad. All right. H is not defined. Well, I bet not. Okay, self.h. Did I do that anywhere else? Doesn't look like I did. Okay, list index out of range. That's probably a bad thing. What in the... doesn't equal self.final h0 of h. That's the food name. So the food, if the food value first doesn't equal the food name, doesn't equal the final value of the food name, then we get rid of the first thing at the head of the heap. All right. Oh dear. Oh dear me. That's not good. So it's okay. So it does output some things sometimes. So that's good, I guess. Let's see. Kimchi is Korean. That makes sense. Wait, we don't add the initial ratings in. Well, no wonder it doesn't work. Okay. So yeah. So for I in range we're gonna say self dot change rating of foods I comma ratings I And you know what? Maybe there's a redundant step of looking up what the mapping is, but I think that's fine. I think we can handle it. All right, that works. That looks good. Okay, whoa. Whoa. That's odd. Okay, where did I do it? How did I miss that one? Okay, let's try that again. That would cost you in a weekly competition. All right, cool. The reason you can't just put them in a list is because it's hard to grab the highest one without it being n squared. So I guess I didn't explain that very well, but that's the purpose of... Oh, that's my alarm just in time. Okay, talk to you later.